5 Best Fog Lamp Assembly. Here is the product number 1. LED or car lights. Brand name, iSensor. 100% brand new and good quality. Light type, spotlight, floodlight. Material, aluminum alloy. Item type, fog lamp assembly. Placement on vehicle, front, rear, left, right. Special features, spotlight, fog light, fog light. Here is the product number 2. Waterproof car high power lights. Universal fit for any cars, motorcycles, scooters. Energy saving and high brightness. Attractive slim design and adjustable bracket that fits various car models. Waterproof reflector for all road weather conditions. Easy and simple to install. Bright with super beam daytime running light to driving safety. Disconnect power before installation. Here is the product number 3. LED Car External Headlight. Energy saving, high brightness. Model, external and internal model. Easy install. Super heat dissipation. No any delayed light up. Super long service life 50,000 hours. Housing colors, silver, blue, golden, red, black. Suitable for cars, motorcycles, motos, ATV. Here is the product number 4. Car Anti-Collision Laser Fog Light. Make people pay attention to the car in the foggy or raining days. Effectively prevent the occurrence of traffic accidents. Very low power dissipation, reduce the loss of fuel. Soft silicone wire, new generation, more waterproof and durable. Shell color, black. Advantage, warning, LED driven be safer. Usage, fog light, laser fog lamp, warning light. Here is the product number 5. Off-road truck bus boat fog light. LED chips from US. Lamp body is fast irradiating for aluminum, high temperature resistance, beauty exterior. Lamp cover adopted German technology, good vitreousness, anti-high or low temperature burst. Lamp reflector used Italian optical reflectivity projector lens, long reflect distance. Energy saving, high brightness, long lifespan. Check the description below for the link and more items. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Like, comment and share.